Assalamu alaikum. This is chapter number 5, linear equations and simple inequalities, and this is a review exercise 5, page number 131. There are some questions in this review exercise which I need to do over here for your help. Okay, so this is question number 1. Solve each of the following equations. Okay, so this is part A. X minus 1 is equal to half of x. So how would I solve it? First of all, you need to take the blue one. I am going to take, and how would I solve it? I will write here. You can see that in the denominator there is 2, so we need to multiply the whole equation by 2. Okay, so that is, I will multiply 2 by x, 2 by 1, okay, and 2 by 1 by 2 x, and then what it would be, that would be 2x minus 2 equals 2. 2 will be cancelled, and this is x, and I will write it like this. I will take from right hand side the x to the left hand side, and this is like this, and 2 will go on right hand side. Okay, and x equals 2. This is my answer. You can verify this equation by putting 2 instead of x. You will get left hand side equals right hand side. If I will put instead of x 2 over there, that is 2 minus 1 and 1 by 2, and there would be 2 will be cancelled. 1 equals 1, left hand side equals right hand side. Okay, so you can prove or you can verify the answer, the solution, by putting the value in the equation. Okay, so we are done with now b part. 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 4x plus 4. There are 3 brackets to be opened, so 2 multiplied by x would be 2x minus 2 plus 3x plus 3, and that is 4x plus 16. Okay, now I will write all the x terms to the left hand side and all the terms which are constants to the right hand side. So that would be 3x, and 4x will go to the left hand side of the equal sign, and this is 16. Already 16 was there, and I have written, and this is plus 2. I will take negative 2 to the right hand side, and that is negative 3. Okay, and what it would be, this is 5x minus 4x equals 18 minus 3. What it would be, x equals 15. This is the answer, and you can verify the answer by putting the value in the equation, original equation. Okay, so now let's see what about c. So this is, let me write 2y minus 7 minus 5y minus 4 equals 6. So there is a small bracket inside this big bracket. So first we will solve the inside, the bracket which is inside a small bracket. I will open it. Do not make equal sign over there. Always try to remember this thing. When there is an equation, means equal sign is already over there. You will not put equal in the beginning. Okay, so 2y minus as it is, square bracket as it is, 7 as it is, and minus as it is. We will multiply this negative sign to the positive sign because there is no sign. Minus plus minus, this minus is over here. Okay, and now this minus, now 5y as it is. Okay, and then this minus minus plus 4. Okay, capital bracket, and this is 6. Now what will we do? We will solve inside the bracket values. 7 plus 4, that would be 11 minus 5y. ओके, लाइक टर्म्स को हमने ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होता है. this is 6. Now 2y as it is, there is positive if there is nothing, minus plus minus 11, and this is minus minus plus 5y equals 6, and what it would be, 2y and 5y, that would be 7y, and I will take negative 11 from left hand side and it will go to right hand side with positive sign. That would be 17 upon 7. Y equals, and I can write it like 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. This is the answer. Okay, y equals this. And now part D, 3 by 4x minus 5 equals 0.5x. You can see that in the denominator there is 4, and whenever you will see any denominator in equal, having equal sign, you will multiply the whole equation by the denominator, the value in the denominator, or if suppose there would be 2 over there, then what will you do, आप इन दोनों का एलसीएम लोगे और फिर उसके बाद पूरी इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. सपोज यहाँ पर भी कोई नंबर होता, सपोज दैट इज़ 5, तो फिर आप क्या करते, तीनों का एलसीएम लेकर और फिर पूरी इक्वेशन को उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देते. ओके, it's not there, so I am not going to put. Okay, now 4, I will multiply the whole equation by 4 like this. 4 multiplied by 5 and 4 multiplied by 0.5x. Okay, so that would be cancelled. ये काम ही हम इसीलिए करते हैं कि तमाम डिनोमिनेटर्स रिमूव हो जाएं. ठीक है, minus 4 5s are 20, and this is what it would be. 4 5s are 20, 0.5 डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कैसे किया जा सकता है, 4 5s are 20. ओके, पॉइंट अगर आप यहाँ रख दोगे तो दैट वुड बी 2. सो योर आंसर इज 2x. ओके, एंड नाउ 3x माइनस 2x. सो दो तरीके थे कटे के. एक और तरीका ये है कि यू विल राइट दिस पार्ट like 4 multiplied by 0.1 means 5/10. You can write it 5/10. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, that is 2. Okay, तो ये वाली इस तरह से भी हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Okay, so that what it would be, x equals 20. This is the answer of this equation. You can verify it by putting the value here. Okay, now part E, how would we solve? What will we do here? You can see that 2y plus 7 upon 4 equals 12. एक तरीका तो ये है कि denominator में 4 है, you will multiply the whole equation by 4, or you will put 1 over there and you will cross multiply. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप दोनों में से कुछ भी करोगे सेम आंसर आएगा, और एक ही चीज़ है दोनों. ठीक है, सो लेट्स टेक, आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई द होल इक्वेशन बाय 4. कीप इट इन योर माइंड, यू विल पुट द न्यूमरेटर इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. ओके, तो ये ज़रूरी होता है, आप हमेशा उसको ब्रैकेट में कर लें जब भी 2 नंबर हों, 3 नंबर हों, न्यूमरेटर में या डिनोमिनेटर में. It is necessary. 4 multiplied by 12. Cross multiply भी हो सकता था. 4 4 will be cancelled. That is 2y plus 7. No need to put it inside the bracket anymore. 48, and this is 2y equals 48 minus 7. That is 41 upon 2. Okay, and what it would be, 2 20s are 40, 41. You can apply apple method over here also. Okay, to change it into mixed number. ठीक है, जब भी आपका improper fraction आए, you need to change it into mixed number. It is necessary. Now part F, here you can see that in the denominator there is 7, but there is 5y plus 1. इसका मतलब है यहाँ variable आ रहा है, तो अब आप एलसीएम तो आपको नहीं आता, इसको एलसीएम किस तरह लिया जाए. सो व्हाट विल यू डू, यू विल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई देम एंड व्हाट इट वुड बी, कोई सा भी नंबर पहले लिया जा सकता है इसलिए कि दोनों में y मौजूद है, ठीक है। तो आई विल राइट इट फर्स्ट, या आप पे डिपेंड करता है। एंड दिस इज 7 4y minus 1 and now multiply, this is 25y plus 5 1s are 5, 7 4s are 28 minus 7, okay। अब हम क्या करेंगे, y वाली तमाम टर्म्स को, the terms which are having y, we will put it on left hand side. So I will bring 28 with negative to the left hand side, and then I will bring positive 5 from left to right as negative 5. What it would be, 3y, okay, and this is 12, minus minus cancelled, y equals 12 by 3, 4s are 12, so 4 is your answer, okay। Now let's get started. Next question, which is part G. So here there are 3 terms, okay, 2 are fractions and 1 is integer. Now what will you do, in the denominator there is only 1 3 and 4. First I will find 3, the LCM of 3 and 4. और ये बात याद रखिएगा कि जब if there is no highest common factor in between two numbers, जो कि हमारे पास 4 और 3 हैं, there is no common factor, so 1, so we will multiply 4 multiplied by 3, that would be the LCM, okay। तो हमारा LCM क्या आ जाएगा, 12 आ जाएगा। So 12 is the LCM. I will multiply both sides by 12, that is a plus 1 upon 4, put it inside the bracket. I have already told you, put it inside the bracket, and 12, okay, and multiplied by 3 नीचे आ जाएगा, so that is 4, I will multiply 12 by 4 here, okay, and what it would be, that is 3a plus 1, okay, plus 4a minus 1, and this is 12 4s are 48, okay। Now I will distribute this 3 over this bracket, 3 1s are 3 plus 4a minus 4 equals 48, and that would be 7a, like terms will be added, 3a and 4a, and this is minus 1 equals 48, and 7a equals 48 plus 1, which is 49 upon 7, that is 7 7s are 49, and 7 is your answer। that कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि यहाँ कुछ मिस्टेक हो जाती है, कोई नंबर जो है वो गलती से 1 के बजाय 2 लिख दिया, या 4 लिख दिया, या 5 लिख दिया, so you will check it by yourself, and while you will be watching the video, you should have your copy and you must solve all the questions side by side, ठीक है। फिर इसमें जो भी गलती होगी वो आप मुझे बताएंगे कमेंट्स में, ओके। So 3 6 2, there are 3 fractions, and I will take the LCM of 3 6 and 2, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, so 3 2s are 6 is the LCM. So I will multiply the whole equation, put it inside the bracket, upon 3 minus 6 2b plus 1 upon 6, okay, and 6 multiplied by 5b minus 1 inside the bracket upon 2. So we will cut it, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are, okay, so what it would be, 2b minus 4 minus 2b plus 1 equals, अब यहाँ आपको समझ आ रहा होगा कि मैंने इसको ब्रैकेट में ये नंबर्स को मैं क्यों रखती हूँ। इफ़ देयर इज़ माइनस साइन बिफोर द ब्रैकेट, अगर आप ब्रैकेट को नहीं यहाँ बंद करते हो, ब्रैकेट में नहीं रखते होते, तो ये अंदर आपका पॉजिटिव ही रह जाता, ओके, अगर ये ब्रैकेट नहीं होते तो। लेकिन यहाँ आपको याद रहेगा कि यू नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई माइनस बाय प्लस, and there would be negative sign in between 2b एंड 1, ठीक है, प्लस माइनस में चेंज हो जाएगा, तो इसलिए हम ब्रैकेट लगाना ज़रूरी समझते हैं, ठीक है। सो 3 5b minus 1, okay, this is 5b, and now I will open the bracket. This is negative 2b, and minus plus minus 1 equals 3 5s are 15b minus 3, and 2b minus 2b will be cancelled, and this is minus 9 equals 15b minus 3, okay. b is here. एक तो तरीका ये है कि 15b को उठा के हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लेकर आएँ और नेगेटिव 9 को उधर नेगेटिव 3 के पास लेकर जाएं, और देयर इज़ अनदर मेथड ऑल्सो कि मैं पूरा राइट हैंड साइड पूरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के साथ रिप्लेस कर दूं, बट इन दिस केस देयर वुड बी नो चेंज इन साइन, ठीक है। तो मैं इसको रिप्लेस करके दिखाती हूँ। 15b माइनस 3 नो चेंज इन साइन, एंड नेगेटिव 9 नो चेंज इन साइन, ओके। नाउ 15b इक्वल्स नेगेटिव 9 पॉजिटिव प्लस 3, ये कितना हो जाएगा -6, एंड b इक्वल्स नेगेटिव 6 अपॉन 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15। देखिए इस नेगेटिव को लिखने का क्या तरीका होता है, नेगेटिव के साथ ही आप अपॉन बनाते हैं और 2 अपॉन 5 कर देते हैं, ओके। सो दिस इज negative 2 upon 5. Now question, these are the last parts, okay. So 9 6 and 12, 9 6 and 12, you will take the LCM. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and this is 3 1s are 3, and this is 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So we will multiply the whole equation by 36, okay, to in order to remove the denominator, okay. So 36, make the bracket over there, c minus 1 upon 6। तमाम चीज़ों को आपने अपने दिमाग में रखना है कि कैसे कैसे मैं कहाँ कहाँ ब्रैकेट बनाती हूँ। यू नीड टू सॉल्व इट लाइक दिस, ओके। अब मर्ज़ी आप मल्टीप्लाई लगाओ या नहीं लगाओ, यू विल पुट इट इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट एंड 12, ओके। 12 3s are 6, 6s are 9, 4s are, you can see that all the denominators are removed। 4 2s are, चाहें तो इस पर भी ब्रैकेट बना लीजिए, ठीक है। सो 4 2s are 8 c, ओके, माइनस 6 c minus 1 equals 3 c plus 3, okay। So that's it, 6c minus minus plus 6 equals 3c plus 9, and that is 2c minus 3c, 9 minus 6, okay, that is 3, and that is minus c, and c equals 3, negative 3, minus उधर चला जाएगा, that is the answer। and here 3 2 6, और यहाँ 4 टर्म्स हैं, 1 2 3 4, ओके। तो इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं तो 1 है, तो अगर हम सबका एलसीएम ले लें तो दैट वुड बी 2 3 6, okay। so that is first let me take 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3, so that is 6 is the LCM। I will multiply the whole equation by 6 3 minus 4d upon 3 minus 6 multiplied by 3d plus 7 upon 2, and this is 6 multiplied by 5d, and this is 6 multiplied by 1 by 6, 6 6 will be cancelled, and will be cancelled, 2 2s are 4, okay। let me write it like this, 2 2s are 4, 3 minus 4d minus 3 3s are 9, that is 9d plus 7, and this is 6 5s are 30 plus 1, okay। so 30d, sorry for that, and now multiply them. 4 3s are 12, 16d minus 9d minus plus minus 7 9s are 63. Oh my god, I have put addition sign over there. That is actually equal. Okay, so equals 30d plus 1. Okay, now what will you do? Minus 16d and minus 9d, 25d, okay, with negative sign, and 12 minus 63 plus 12 minus 63, that is 51. Okay, and this is 30d plus 1. Now I will put all the terms which are having d on left hand side like this, and 1 plus 51, and what it would be, this is 555, this is 52, and d equals 52 upon 55. Negative sign will come here. This is the answer.